We have just had a visit from the Danish prince, Prince Joachim. Why does he come here?
Obviously he's racing himself in the classic racing, and I think he saw in the showtime we had the racing car Super League going around the track doing a lap record.
It's not very often that we have a prince who's coming visit the cars. What did it mean to Super League Formula having this visit?
Yeah, it's a great opportunity for to get royalty with Super League Formula. Obviously, understanding that he was a huge motorsport fan is great as well, and I think the noise of the car probably shook half of Denmark. So to see him here and have him racing, and I know that he's been pretty successful today as well. So to get him to come and have a look at the car, to sit in the car as well was a great experience.
Yes, he was sitting in the car, Kasper. It's your car normally, but what were you talking about when he was sitting there?
Yeah, he asked about the buttons on the steering wheel and what else there was in the car. So I showed him how it was, and yeah, I think he was feeling a bit tight because he's quite taller than me, and it's a small car inside, but it's big on the outside. So
yeah, you were here for almost 20 minutes. What did you talk to him about?
Yeah, I think obviously when you look at these cars, they're pretty impressive to look at. It's an exciting thing. I think he wanted to know obviously a lot of the similarities of how this works in terms of motorsport with the different categories such as Formula One. I imagine it's slightly different to drive than his classic Cortina that he's racing today, and I know he mentioned the difference on the lap time was around 20 odd seconds. So the pace is different. I think he wanted to. I think he went away pretty impressed with the sound, the speed, and what we can do with Super League Formula.
So, Kasper, this was a big moment for you, or what?
Yeah, definitely. I never met him personally, only see him on television and magazines. So, yeah, it was quite shocking when I first time saw him.
And for you, Alex, a talk with the Prince. What do you think about that?
It's obviously a huge, nice opportunity to meet a prince, and to know one with a huge racing background. You don't often hear that in obviously in the media world, but to know that he's a huge fan of motorsport, and to have our cars here in Denmark at the ring, it's a great opportunity to see him sat in our car and really wanting to know a lot about our championship and how we're moving forwards as a championship as well.
We're driving on Estoril in about 14 days. Is he come visiting us, or what can we expect?
Well, we'd very much welcome him to come to Estoril. It would be a huge opportunity for us, and a small amount of pressure for Kasper to have the Prince of Denmark here, and hopefully supporting him looking towards a victory in Estoril.
Thank you, both of you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.